On the 12th May, Sudanese President Omar Hassan Al-Bashir was among the heads of state who attended the swearing ceremony of President Yoweri Museveni for his fifth elective term of office. In 2009 and 2010, the International Criminal Court ICC issued an arrest warrant against the Sudanese president on counts of murder, extermination, war crimes, torture and rape committed against the people of Darfur in Sudan. Uganda is signatory to the Rome Statute that establishes the ICC. Now the World Court wants Uganda and Djibouti to explain why they refuse to comply with the Rome Statute by not arresting Bashir. In a statement issued by the ICC spokesperson Fadi El Abdar, the two states have been referred to the United Nations Security Council for sanctions. But the Uganda government spokesperson Ofwono Opondo accused the Hague-based court of acting with double standards.
If they have picked on Uganda and Djibouti, and they have left other countries that are signatories, South Africa, as everybody knows, Mr. Bashir was in South Africa, was in Nigeria, and they have chosen to cherry pick in law. If you are cherry picking, it clearly shows that you are biased, you are partisan, you are vindictive. And so should that summon eventually come, we shall contest the legality of that summon because it is selective.
States signatories to the Rome Statute are required to cooperate with the court in its investigation and prosecution, but the Rome Statute is silent on the repercussion on member states for non-compliance.
We shall contest if indeed it is legal, it is procedurally correct for the ICC to direct the UN Security Council. We believe it should be otherwise. It should be the UN Security Council to refer matters to the ICC.
Opondo says Uganda is yet to receive official communication from the ICC.
UN Security Council, Uganda has not received any formal or even informal notification. When we eventually receive, we shall use the government machinery to respond. But be that as it may, we treat this for now as a rumor in the media.
The African Union, the main political forum of African states, has been a growing critique of the ICC's intervention in Africa and has passed a number of resolutions to shield leaders from prosecution since Bashir's indictment.
We lost interest in the ICC. ICC is none of our business. It is a useless body. We had supported the ICC initially, thinking they were serious, but they are just a bunch of useless people.
Position of the AU is that sitting presidents should not be subjected to the ICC. That's really the position. Secondly, in the case of Sudan, the position is the consultation seem to be bearing fruit, and we think we should continue with engaging with Bashir rather than the court process.
In 2009, the African Union issued a declaration supporting him, expressing its concern that his indictment could derail the Darfur peace process. And in 2010, African Union issued a declaration that it would not cooperate with the ICC to arrest Bashir. The African Union also opposed the indictment of Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto in 2011. The cases have since been dropped. Jingo Francis, NTV.